Bronco Bob here with this 64 Plymouth Fury. We're going to do a cold start video. Just want to put my hand on here. It's a 383 4-barrel. This is such a beautiful car. In fact, we got some snow in the forecast tomorrow here in Mansfield, Texas. Start this little jewel up. This is such a cool car. The previous owner is a pretty famous nostalgia drag racer. His name was Jim Hale. Good luck with your bids on this really cool Plymouth Sport Fury. Have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails.